And we are still here at the Philippine Superliga now. After evening the game to one set each, Coach Village of Petron Blaze told his girls not to relax and they shouldn't have any room for complacency here in the third set because they are going up against individuals with outstanding experience. So she says that they have to fight pound for pound and also lay their experiences on the floor. She told her girls that they need to stay smart and they need to keep pushing ahead here in the third set. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Anne.
You know what? I want to go back to that second set just to show you something from. Remember that movie by Al Pacino where he was the football coach. The name just escapes me right now. You know, he said something in that speech. It's either we win as a team or we die as individuals. That's exactly what happened to Bingo Millonario in that second set. It's actually 25-13. It's like one of the most anemic sets that they've ever had.
And you know what's working for Petron is that the movement is just flawless and seamless inside the court, and that's why, you know, looking at the numbers also in that set, they managed to score more. They actually had 13 attack points. Bingo Millonario only had 5. Imagine that.
Any given Sunday. There you go.
Any given Sunday, yeah, the movie.
So it is the first point now going over to Bingo Millonario. Let's see if M. Penetrante and can actually spark them. You know what? M. Penetrante, Michelle Gumabo is back in the lineup. Look at that. Penetrante is still playing at a very high level. Maybe a little slower than she was when she was in college, but it's still a very high level. Can that rub off here? Peñano has really energized them in terms of given them the energy, but can it rub off on everyone else?
And what they need actually is somebody else to step up aside from Penetrante. Looking at the numbers, first set it was Penetrante scoring 9 points. Second set it was again just Penetrante scoring the points.
Right.
What she needs is support from the rest of the team, and that's what Petron has because everybody is just scoring, really contributing.
Morada with an ace earlier. Good serve also here. Nice block here coming from Chi Saet against Phil Kainglet. Phil Kainglet takes exception to that and scores. It's not every day that you want to be blocked by an older setter, but you get it back anyway, right? So Phil Kainglet scores the first point now for Petron. Rhea Dimaculangan to put it in play. Dimac. Serve to Morada. Chi Saet, Penetrante. And Penetrante will go. Oh, it's in. Oh. Numer Pajarillo got a little confused there. It is.
Ball was out,
yeah,
actually.
It's out. Because he signaled, when the linesman signaled out, it looked like he overruled it.
Yeah.
When he signaled to the side of Bingo Millonario. But it is now 3-2. Bingo Millonario up by 1. Nice serve again by Dimaculangan. Chi Saet forced to attack, and that's a mismatch. Saet against Ortiz.
And again, it's the reception that the Puffins need to work on at this point. They have strong attackers, but unable to really convert.
Oh, we're tied at 3 after a 3-0 start here for Bingo Millonario. Dimaculangan. This time serves it to Peñano, who also can't handle it. Phil Kainglet, almost easy pickings. Michelle Gumabo, great reflexes too near the net once again. Phil Kainglet colliding with Rhea Dimaculangan that time. Here's the set now, Iris Patrona. Great block from Mike Ortiz.
No coverage there for the Puffins. Right now you can see the movement here of the Blaze Spikers. Just really very relaxed, very light. Really enjoying the game.
Well, they know they are the favorite team. They lost that first set because, well, ganun talaga, breaks of the game. But in the second set, they really showed who they are. And look at the serves of Rhea Dimaculangan. It's just insane.
And it's the same target. Remember, in the prior set, it was, you know, going to Morada. And at this point, I think she didn't change it.
Ayan, apat na nasa likod.
Let's see if this adjustment will work to their advantage.
Dimac once again. Another shot. This time, shaming Michelle Gumabo.
Perfect way to describe that. It's a lethal serve.
Oh, wow.
Very consistent.
And now Ronald Dulay will address the reception issues with this timeout.
Mag-rested legs ka.
Kitang-kita kasi nakakap tayo eh. Tina-target yung gitna eh. Gumitna ka muna para ma-break yung momentum nila. Tapos i-tap nyo. Ha? Takbuhan mo na lang kagad. Okay. Ha? Tulong-tulong sa receive. Pag na-break natin itong isang to, diretso tayo. Ha? Gusto?
Tato lang yan. Tsaga. Sabi lang, tsaga.
And you heard it, power puffins.
They need more of the power.
Naubos yata yung power
Going
pellets.
into...
Well-
they need to... Tama, you were right. They need to move as one team
Yeah.
rather than as individuals.
As individuals, because neither you win as a team or you will die as individuals. But in this case, they started off pretty strong, 3-0. Now 6 straight points, 5 of them on the serve of Rhea de Maculangan. That's what's killing Bingo Millonario right now. They do put 4 people back to try to receive.
Let's see, they need one good reception.
And Penetrante is actually straddling the line as well. That's technically 5 people back to try to reserve, to try to get the serve. Rhea targeting Morada once again. Sayet now, Patrona, dug up by Gohing. Here's Di Maculangan, Phil Kainglet. One hand dig there coming from Michelle Gumabaw. Free ball coming up from Patrona. Di Maculangan across, Kainglet. And Gumabaw keeps it alive. And Patrona hits it into the net. That's 7 straight points now for Petron.
It's really the nerves, I think, that's shaking here on the side of the Puffins. They need to get more of those points.
Rhea de Maculangan serving through 6 points already. They have a 4-point lead. Morada, better reception. Chi Sayet attacking that time. I don't think that was on the menu. That ad-lib killed them.
Too many errors.
8-3, 8 straight points for Petron. We'll be right back.
Kahit differential, bigyan mo dito.